Good morning everyone. We are going to start a new chapter, what is cooking. Before starting this chapter, we should know what is cooking. So, cooking is the process of preparing food by applying heat. Now, what is the need of cooking? There are several reasons like cooking kills bacteria, cooking makes food easy to digest, cooking changes the taste, aroma and appearance of food. That's why we need a food to be cooked. Now some cookware used in kitchen. Let's see. This is a wok, that is kadahi. These are some spatulas. This is a patila. This is a pressure cooker. All these utensils are used for cooking vegetables, tongs, rolling pin and rolling board, tawa. All these things are used for making chapatis. Now some cookware used in ancient times. Here you can see different types of utensils which are used in ancient time. Now common materials used for making cookware and utensils. They are stainless steel, aluminium, copper, iron, glass, bronze, earthen pots, Teflon. Let's see how the utensils made from these materials actually look. These are cookware made of stainless steel. These are some cookware which are made up of aluminium. These cookware are made up of copper. These are some iron cookware. These are some glass cookware. These are some bronze cookware. These cookware are made from mud, that's why they are known as earthen pots. These cookware are made from Teflon. Now some heat sources for cooking. This type of heating source is used in most of our houses. This is known as the combination of gas stove and a gas cylinder. This is a gas stove and this is a gas cylinder. Stove is attached with the cylinder using a small pipe through which the gas is passed from the gas-filled cylinder to the stove burner where the gas burns over which we cook food. Now what is this? This is an electric heater. When electricity is passed, the coils inside the heater becomes red hot and we make food over it. Let's see some other electric appliances used in kitchen. These are different electric appliances we used in our kitchen like toaster, water heater, food processor, pressure cooker, stand mixer and many more. Now stove, which is known as angithi. Here you can see this is an angithi. Coal is placed inside angithi which become hot on burning and we make food over that heat. Now kerosene stove. Kerosene stove looks like this. Kerosene oil is filled in the compartment and produces fire over which food is cooked. Another type of heating source for cooking is solar cooker. Solar cooker looks like this. A solar cooker is an instrument used for cooking in which heat is produced through sunlight. Food is placed inside the box and covered by the glass. When sunlight falls on the glass, the food gets heated and cooked. Another type of heating source for cooking is chulha. You can see this type of heating source in most of the villages. Chulha is made up of mud. Wood or cow dung cakes are placed inside it, and on burning they produces fire over which we cook a food. Let us discuss some cooking methods. First one is baking. Baking is done by using dry heat in closed environment, usually an oven. Now roasting. In roasting, food is directly heated on fire. Frying. Frying means cooking food directly in hot oil. The outer body of the food becomes sealed when it comes into contact with the hot oil. Now boiling. Boiling means to cook food in water that is bubbling rapidly, usually foods like pastas or hardy vegetables. Now steaming. Steaming means to cook food by exposing it to steam. Now saute. Saute means to toss quickly in a pan with very little fat or oil and a fairly high heat. Now your homework for today is question number 1. Write the names of two things cooked by each of the given methods of cooking. You have to write the name of things here. Question number 2. Identify the pictures given below and write their names. Match the pictures with the list, and matching can be with more than one thing also. So students, that's all for today's class.